I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the PDF ready on your phone. Now start the conversion. First, open a Converter app or the Files app and locate the PDF. Once open, tap the menu or Share button and pick Export or Convert. Make sure you give the app permission to access files if prompted. This step begins the actual conversion flow so you don't waste time. Selecting Export immediately reveals format options. Proceed to choose Image Settings next to control quality and file size. Once you see format options, choose JPG or JPEG and then pick Quality and Resolution. You want higher DPI for print, lower for small file sizes. Make that choice based on use. If you only need specific pages, select a page range or individual pages to avoid extra work. For multiple pages, choose Batch Convert so the app exports all pages as separate images automatically. Make sure to preview one page first to confirm color, cropping, and orientation before processing the entire document. After conversion, save the JPGs to photos or a folder you control and rename files if needed for clarity. Verify each image for cropping, color accuracy, and legibility. Rotate or crop within photos if required. Once done, share or upload the JPGs. If something goes wrong, first update the app and ensure storage permissions are granted. If issues persist, retry with lower quality or use an alternative converter app. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves common permission or format problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.